15 guy. Well, who is this 15 guy? Tell me.
Maybe Bshari.
Oh,
Maybe Bshari.
Who?
صالح
Bshari. Saleh.
Saleh. Okay, 15 is Saleh. Then what? Umar is there? Present?
Yeah, he's in the class, Mr.
Mr. I'm here.
يا عمر class.
Alone? ولا خمسة أحد?
No, Mr. Only me.
Okay. Adam is there?
yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Jamal is there?
Yeah, he is in the class.
But why can I see two Jamal IDs in the group?
Mr. The other Jamal with the very slip is Ibrahim, one with us.
Ibrahim, yeah.
Who is Ibrahim?
Someone with us
He's
in
a
this.
new, a new guy, I think.
Ibrahim Zahrani.
Ibrahim Kunefa?
Someone send me the
Or
slide.
Kunefa?
No. This one,
have-
Ibrahim was the old one.
Ibrahim is a crush on Jamal, that's why, mister.
And R is Riyadh?
Yeah.
And Adnan is there. Okay. Badr is there. And Osama is also there.
Yeah.
Yes, mister, of course.
Osama is also interested. Okay. Yusuf Firas is there.
Yes, mister.
Okay. And
I don't want to
Muhammad
fail the exam tomorrow.
Muhammad Ammar is there. Okay. So we have all in all how many guys? 13 guys. Wow.
13.
Okay. So
14, mister.
That's a lot.
Yeah, 14, mister. There's 2 people on my user.
with whom?
This is Ibrahim, Mr. That is talking.
Yani Ibrahim is a new student in your class or what?
Yeah,
Yeah, he was with us from before, but he returned to the school.
Yani he was earlier in OPIS, then he left, then he came back.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, mister.
Should I also come back or what? Okay.
Yes, mister.
Let's start quickly. He is saying please. He don't know who I am, and he's saying please come back.
No, mister. Everyone said that you're a very good teacher, so I want
انت بتهزر معايا ولا ايه؟ Okay, let's start. Oh, Mr. بتكلم عربي. Okay, anyways, I'm an Indian guy, not Masri guy. Okay, so you guys can see worksheet. So what is my suggestion? If I take your questions, you guys tell me which question to go. I will jump on that question straight away, and
Mister, I
everyone
have a
can learn
question.
from this
I have
session.
Mister,
Okay.
I want question 11.
Mister, there is
Wait,
a question. There is a question.
I will tell you. See what will be the system of this class. I will say question number 1. Those who have problem, I will discuss. If no problem, I will not discuss question 1. I will go to question number 2. Okay, because the answer key already everyone has it.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start quickly. Question 1. No one. Question number 2.
Very easy.
Question
easy.
2.
Easy.
Okay. Question 3. How many pages did you solve in the class with the teacher? How many pages?
Like approx
3 or
12.
4.
12?
No,
Only
4,
3,
yeah,
4,
4.
5.
4.
No,
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
3,
Okay.
4, because there was not a lot of time.
No problem. I will start from page number 5, which goes like this.
Yeah.
Question number 5. Who wants to understand?
Me, there is a question, but not of these two.
Muhammad Amir, you are
Me,
not
I
following by
have-
the rules. You are not following by the rules. I will call the question. You guys have to tell me yes or no. Not this question, not this question. So because in 2 hours we cannot finish the full worksheet. If I go one by one, mustahil. Okay. So tell me one by one. Yes. Now tell me. Question number 9. No one. Okay. Question number 10. No one. Question number 11.
Me,
Mashallah, good. Easy money for me today. Yes, question number 11.
Yeah.
No one is asking anything.
And the last
me, Mr. Muhammad Amir, I want to question him.
Question 11. Okay, very good. We have first question of the day. Everyone, please pay attention. You have to have a notebook or a set of papers in front of you, along with a good working pen or a pencil, as you like. Ready, everyone now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, Sandra,
Ready.
I don't want Sandra. I will write Badr. I love Badr. Yes. Okay. Badr. Abdul Rahman Maqbool is not there. Otherwise, I would have written his name, maybe. Anyways.
will cry.
Badr spent, this class is recorded, huh? So please, he will dislike my video, please. Okay, Badr spent 2/3 of her pocket money. Her? Why her? Ghalat. And his. Okay. So Badr spent, this is the money spent by Badr. Okay. 2/3 he spent on which item? He spent on sweets.
Sweet.
Halwiyat, okay, and 1/7 on manga, okay, on comics, not manga. Use some, read some sensible stuff, not nonsense stuff. Okay, 1/7. The question asked here is what fraction is remaining? Now we have to find this guy who is sitting in this corner, correct? This guy. Yes. How much fraction is this? So to find this fraction, it is very easy. We add this guy to this guy and then subtract from 1. It is looking like a face from this, like a Joker face.
Yes.
Ibrahim will be laughing. What is this guy doing today? Okay. So what we will do, we will add 1/7. We will subtract 1/7 plus 2/3. Who did not
Mr. From where we got 1?
Oh, I remember this. Okay.
Because this is overall one circle, correct?
Yeah.
This is one task. This is 1. From 1, we have to add these two guys and then subtract from 1. Okay. Now, how do we add this fraction? Who knows? Can we add it now? Can I write it? Can I write it like this? Is it correct?
No.
7 plus 3,
No,
7 plus 3, 10, and 2 plus 1, 3.
No.
Yes.
No.
Jamal,
Maybe
yes or no?
No, mister.
Is this Jamal?
No.
Mister,
It's Ibrahim.
brother. Genetics, mister.
The other one.
No, when I say Jamal Ad-Dosri has to reply. Where is Jamal Ad-Dosri?
In
His
Hammam.
house.
He has a problem in the microphone or
No,
what?
what?
No, it's closed.
His mic is closed.
No, he
Yeah.
opened
Okay.
it. No.
He opened the mic. Okay.
But I
So
don't hear anything.
1 minus 7 and 3. How can we make the denominators common?
By multiplying them by each other.
Multiply 3 with 7, multiply
Okay.
1 with 3.
Multiply 7 here. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what we will get in the first fraction? It's
3
looking
over
like a
21.
face.
3 over
It's
21.
looking like a face. But the face I make in the group when someone tells me annoying thing. This.
Yes.
Okay. So it will be 21 here times 3 and it will be 21 here times 14.
14.
Now we can add them very easy. Right?
Equals 17 over 21.
So it will be 1 minus 17 over 21. Now how we will subtract this? Who knows?
1 over 1 over 1.
We'll
Yeah,
multiply
1 over
21.
1.
Exactly.
21 over
Because
21.
1 does not have a denominator. So when 1 does not have a denominator, we can put 1. Now how we will make the
21 over
denominator same,
21.
Ibrahim? Ibrahim, the new guy. How can we subtract this? Tell me. Help me, please.
You turn it into 21.
How?
You turn the 1. It's 1 over 1, right?
Yes.
So you turn the 1 over 1 into 1.
Like how I turn? Do I do a magic or what? How do I turn? Tell me. Or do I tell him turn 21 and he will turn 21? I multiply the numerator and denominator. In this way, it will become 21. So finally, what are we having? We are having 21 over 21 minus 17 over 21. And the final answer is
4.
4.
4 over 21. Khalas, this is the answer. What is in the answer key? What is in the answer key? I hope this is the answer. in the answer?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Question number 12. Please note it down. Those who have problem in question number 11, you can note it down, or we can move ahead. You can look at the video, and I will send you this soft copy of this Microsoft whiteboard sheet. Okay, higher resolution, so you can use it.
Mr.
Mister, in the
Question
answer
number
key,
12,
they
who
made
has-
something different.
Mr.
What
I
is the
have
answer in the
problem
answer key?
with-
Tell me.
Wait. In the answer key, they said 2 over 3 multiple. Oh, okay, that's the same because I.
What is the final answer? I'm asking. What is the final answer?
4 over 21 left.
Bus. That's all.
Yeah.
Yes. Adam, Adnan was asking something.
I have a problem to know what this question need. Multiply or divide.
Okay. If you have a pizza, okay.
Okay.
قديم this pizza Mr.
Redeem this pizza in turn
Yeah.
of what? What you need.
We
Okay.
were using it previous.
For example, I tell you this is 1 kg pizza, okay, and Riyadh finished
Yes.
200 grams of pizza from here, and Yusuf Firas finished 650 grams of pizza here. Adnan, now tell me how much pizza is left for you to eat. What will you do?
I'll make
Yes.
1 minus 200 plus,
Minus, not 1 minus, 1000 minus.
yeah, 1000.
Why 1000?
Because 1
Because the whole circle is 1000.
Yeah, 1000 kilogram, because you are subtracting some kilogram. Okay, so it will be 1000 minus the addition of Muhammad,
650 and
not
200.
Muhammad Amir, Yusuf Firas portion and Riyadh's portion. What will be the final answer? 1000 minus 850. It will be 150 gram. The same logic is used in this question. Badr, your brother, spent 1/7 in comics, 1/7 of his money. 2/3 he spent in sweets. Okay. Now, how much money does he have left? What will you do? You add the first expenditure to the second expenditure, and overall you subtract it from 1. Is it clear? Not yet.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Question number 12. Who has issue?
Mr. Me.
Okay, Umar. A tin of paint has a mass 3/4 kg. You have this paint drum. Okay, you have this paint drum. Inside, how much paint is available? 3/4 kg paint is available in one box. In one box. Clear? Okay. If you have 8 boxes like this, 8 boxes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes like this, what will be the total paint? Omar, what do you think we will do in this question? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? What do you think?
Mr. Multiply.
Multiply. Very good, very easy, because one box is given and you have to find for multiple. Okay, it is always multiplication. But if the situation is opposite, like what? Like 8 pens, masalan, cost $200 real. What is the cost of 1 pen? In this case, will you do multiplication? No.
No, Mr.
You will do what?
Divide.
Division. Okay, very good. So is everyone understanding the concept that if one object is given and you have to find multiple, you multiply.
Okay.
But if multiple items are given and you have to find for single item, you do what? Division.
Division.
Meshi? Okay. Now let's
Yes.
solve this question. Let's solve this question.
Which one?
Let's solve this question. But Ibrahim's English is very, very good. Better than me.
Yeah.
So the total
ابراهيم
mass-
مستر ابراهيم سعودي
Saudi wala Amerigi. Total mass will be
Saudi.
Saudi, but maybe he lived in like some English country, maybe.
No.
No,
No,
he,
no, no.
he entered the
no, no.
school that is American. Like only American. There's nothing
Oh,
Arabic.
that's why. That's why. Okay. Now, how we will simplify this guy here? How can we
By
simplify?
4,
four,
8, and 4.
4 and
8 and
8.
4.
It will be 2 multiply
4 and 8, it will be
3
3 over
over
1
1.
multiply
And,
2
and
over
if
1.
simplification is difficult for some guys, what you can do? Multiply 8 times 3 is what?
24.
24.
24.
So your answer will be 24 over 4, but
Oh,
will be what?
24 divide 4
6
equals
over
6
1.
over 1.
6 kg. Okay, 6 kg.
Yeah, yeah.
And if you know simplification, it will be like this. So I gave you both of the solutions. If you love simplification,
Yes.
go for a simplification. Yes. And if you don't love simplification, you can do the long method. Okay.
Okay.
But Mr.
Hmm.
Our
Hmm.
Mr. on the school say for us in the exam, no need to simplify.
Okay. It's your choice. But he said no need. He said do not simplify. He did not say this, do not do this, otherwise I will beat you. No. He said no need. If there is a need, you can do it. It's your choice. But he will not give you mandatory any. You have to analyze him, simplify this one. Okay. Now number number machine.
Yeah, I have, Mister.
Mister, if they tell us the total number and they tell us like what's the number in 1?
You divide.
Divide.
You divide. Yes. For example, I tell you 20 shawarma.
Okay.
See? Who said okay first? Everyone knows, huh? Okay. So 20 shawarma cost 150 riyal. Okay. Now I want for one shawarma. What will be the thing? 150 divided by 20.
Yeah.
How much? Who? I think one guy can tell me the answer very quickly.
30 over 4. 30 over 4.
Give me the answer finally. 0, 0, 1, 15 over 2. What is the half of 15?
7.5.
7.5.
Yes.
7.5.
Very rakhis shawarma, yes?
Yeah.
No, Mr.
Okay.
No.
Not rakhis?
Expensive.
No, this is the extra large. This is the extra large. Ma shatta ma batatis kullu shay. Okay, this is XXXL.
Very good.
And khalla and everything. Okay, question number 13. Who has issue?
Me.
Farouk. Rocket. Okay.
Mister, what is the opposite of a square root?
Square.
Square.
The opposite of square root is square. Okay. Question number 13. Any issues?
Yes, me.
Okay.
It's the opposite. How issues?
Mister, and how I get the input.
I'm telling you. Z. Okay. Now, do you see the direction? Do you see this direction?
Yeah, opposite.
Yeah.
Okay. It means it is going from left to right direction, correct?
Yes.
And when we go from right to left, this is known as reverse machine. Yani this way it is known as number machine. And when we go reverse, it is known as reverse machine. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of reverse machine and number machine? Let's understand. A letter is given here. Z or Z, whatever you call it. I will call it Z. Okay. This is my Indian way.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this is Z. When I divide by 3, what do I get here?
Z over 3.
Z over 3. I get Z over 3. Now I do the second operation, minus 5. Z over 3 minus 5. What do I get? Z over 3 minus 5.
Minus 5, yeah.
Okay. This is the output that I got. Output is represented by O/P. What do you call this guy? Slash or what?
Yes.
Yeah.
Slash.
Yeah.
Okay. O/P is the shortcut for output. Now this question is asking you two things. This is asking you two things. Okay. What is the first thing that is being asked here? The first thing that is being asked is the output. And second thing that they are asking is what? Tell us the input
Of 6.
when output is 6. When output is equal to 6. This is the second part. So this is our first answer. This is our answer number 1.
Mister, I can answer.
No, I already taught to you this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very easy.
Like Mr. The output is Z over 3 minus
No. Let me start.
It's 6
ठीक
plus
है.
5.
Now let's start from the right hand side. The output should be what?
6.
6.
The output should be 6. Now 6. Let's do the reverse engineering. Let's do the reverse
Plus five.
calculation.
And
Plus
then
five.
Please, everyone, please. There are many students who are listening this for the first time. So if you will keep on interrupting, they will get confused. Okay. So when I ask you, you can give me the answer. Otherwise, please let me speak only. Okay. Who is studying this for the first time? So I know that. Which student does not know this? Everyone knows about this? Okay. So,
Mr. Ahmed Fad is breathing out of his mic.
Jamal, please. You are just one click away from being muted. So, take care. Huh? This is minus 5. What is the opposite of minus 5 operation? Plus 5.
Plus 5.
Now, 6 plus 5 will give me what?
11.
11.
11. Okay. I will write 11 here. Let's do the second calculation. What is the opposite of divide by 3?
Multiply 3.
Multiply by 3.
Multiply by 3. Amazing. So
11.
I will do multiply by 3. Now
Mr.
I will do
Right.
6 multiply by 3. Wala 11 multiply by 3. What is the
11.
calculation?
11 multiply.
Yes. The last thing that you received, we will apply to that. Very good. So 11 times 3 is how much? 33.
33.
So our first answer was what?
Mr.
first
I
answer-
didn't notice how
Output is
Z
6
over 3
and
The
then
first
it's
answer was Z over 3 minus
Z
5.
over
This
3
was
minus
our first
5.
answer. And second answer is what?
output
33.
is 6 and the input is
In
33.
33 is the input.
Yes,
is the input.
output. Yes, when the output is 6, the input we will get is
33.
33.
33. Yeah. Already.
33.
Yes.
Mr.
Now-
I didn't notice how the 6 is brought to the question.
6 is brought
They
because
say
they
the
already give you a condition. They give you a condition in the question here.
Oh, I didn't see this in the question.
Okay. 6 we will apply here also. Wait. Okay. We will apply here also.
Yes.
But
Mr.
first, let us
There,
find the
the
first
number.
answer. Now, 25.
Mr.
What is the square root of 25?
5.
Square 12.5, Mr. 12.5.
It will
No,
be
5.
5. And what is 5
Yeah.
plus 2?
7.
7. Yani when the input is 25, what is the output?
7.
7. Very good. And in the second part, when input is 6, let's see what is the when output is 6, let's see what is the input. Now let me erase it.
طب
No, I will not erase it.
The answer is written. Mr. The answer is written in input is 25.
No. See,
This
Like-
is for the
Riyadh. See, when the input changes, output changes. When output changes, input changes. It's not always same. Now forget 25 for a moment. And start with the right side. Start from here. Okay? Start from this side. Now let's do the reverse calculation. What operation I will do now?
Minus 2.
8.
Minus.
Minus 2. Why minus 2?
Four.
Because of the
Because it
opposite.
was-
Yeah,
was
it's 4.
What is 6 minus 2? 4.
4.
4.
Okay.
Square.
And
Square.
what is the opposite of square root?
Square, which will be
Square.
16.
Is 16, yeah.
16.
What is 4 square? 16.
16.
So the output will be 16. Is it clear now? These are the two answers.
Yeah.
Okay. Question number 14.
Me.
Question number? Who? No one. Badr. Okay. Badr, do you see a rectangle here? What is the
Yes.
formula? What is the formula for area of a rectangle? Can you tell me? Only Badr.
The area?
If you have 10 centimeter here and 3 centimeter here and 3 centimeter here and 10 centimeter here, what will be the area of this rectangle? Can you tell me?
The area? And 10
Yes.
plus 10
Hmm.
plus
Plus 3
plus 3.
plus 3. Wrong. That you are telling me is the perimeter. Area, you only need one length and one width, and you multiply them 10 times 3. 30 is the area. Okay?
Okay.
So how do we find the area of this given rectangle? What is the length and what is the width? Tell me.
7
And
2x minus 3.
and area should be equal to capital A. Right?
Area?
Yes. So
Yes.
we have to make a formula like A is equal to 7 multiplied by 2x minus 3. This will be our formula. This will be our equation. Correct?
Yes.
This is the first part of the question because they are asking us two things. They are asking us write the formula. This is the first thing that they are asking. And the second thing that they are asking is if area is 63, find the value of this missing letter x. Clear?
Yes.
Now, what is the use of 63 in this question? Who can tell me what is the use of 63 in this question?
To be the area.
The area
Yeah,
equals
the area.
63.
Okay, but what will I do in this formula? Where will I substitute 63?
Instead of
The
area.
63 equals
Yes, yes, yes. You know substitution? You know substitution?
Yeah.
yeah.
What is substitution in football?
When you get out the players, replace
Yes.
him with another player.
On the bench.
Yes, yes. Okay. So everything will remain same. Only A will be turned to
63.
63.
63.
Okay. Now can we open the bracket here?
Yes.
Yeah.
It will be 63 equal 14x
equals
minus
14.
21.
Brother, 63 will be equal to what? Brother, tell me.
63.
Multiply this here and then multiply this here and tell me the steps.
63 equal 7
Hmm.
multiplied 2 equal 14.
No, it's 2x. It's not 2 alone. X will cry in the corner if you will not consider him. He will cry.
Okay.
7 multiplied by 2x is how much? Tell me.
And 14x.
Yes, very good. 14x. And 7 multiplied by minus 3 will give you what?
21.
Minus 21.
Minus
Please take care. Yes, please take care of the minus sign, everyone. If you mess up with it with one minus sign, your whole answer could get wrong. Okay, minus 21. Yes, now it's very easy for us to solve. Minus 21 we can bring to the other side. Why? Because we want to make 14x alone. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. So when minus 21 goes to the other side, will it still remain minus 1?
No,
What minus?
No, it will be added. The
Yeah.
sign will reverse, like reverse
63
machine.
plus 21 equal 14x minus 21 plus 21 equals
So what are we left with? 63 plus 21?
84 equals
84.
14x.
Is equal to 14x. Now, how do we find x?
If
Divide by
84
We
divided
divide
by
84 by
14.
14.
Very good. So 84 divided by 14. In the table of 14, does 84 comes? I think yes, it comes.
Yes.
6 Mr. 6 or no.
Yeah, 6 after
Times
7.
6, 14.
Yes.
Times 6. Yes. What is happening in the group?
Yeah.
84. Okay. And if you cannot find out in the table of 14, like some students might think, okay, Mr. knows the answer and he is only focusing with the intelligent guys. They know that this is 1, this is 6 colors. Mr. is very, very fast. No, I will tell you a simpler way also. Okay. For example, you don't know the table of 14. Simplify by the table of 2.
Yeah.
Okay. In the table of 2, 14 arrives at what position? Ibrahim.
7. Oh, sorry.
7.
Ibrahim. 14 arrives at what position in the table of 2?
Table of 2. 7.
7 position. In the table of 2, 84 arrives at what position? I hear clicking sounds. Make sure it is not calculator.
Mister, it's my mouse. It's my mouse. I have a huge mic, mister. It sounds.
Yes, Ibrahim. Do you know my question? In the table of 2, at what
Yes.
position do you get 84? If
Oh,
you are not able, you can tell me by division.
42?
Yes, very good, 42. Now,
I didn't understand the
7,
question for a second.
you know, that's why I repeated, maybe because I was thinking, why are you still wondering about the answer? Okay. Now, Ibrahim, tell me, 7 and 42, can they be simplified further?
Yes, I can, because they can like be divided
By the table of what?
by 7.
By 7. So 7 times 1 will be 7, and 7 times 8 is, 6 is 42. So we are arrived at the same answer. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct.
So this is, yes, so this is how it works. If you can solve with a big number, your problem will be solved quickly. But if you solve with a smaller number, your problem will still be solved, but after many steps. So it's up to your confidence level.
Yes.
Mister, see here when you was simplifying 84 and you made this like a cross, it looks like NASA logo. I don't know.
Okay, next. Question number 15 is like very, very simple.
Yeah,
I'm not
only
going to discuss
balancing.
15. It's just balancing of the equations, and the steps are already given in your worksheet. So you can see them in detail. It's not a big deal. Question number 16, I want to discuss because this is not very easy.
Okay.
But the mister has the answer and
The R square.
Mr. has the what?
it says here on the worksheet, I think of a number R square, it's divided the answer by
Yeah, it's very
7.
confusing.
That's why I took up this question. Now listen.
Mister, can I answer?
Okay.
When it says R square, it's a square, so it's gonna be R2, right?
R square.
And then it's gonna be divided by 7.
Yes, I'm coming. Yes, you are correct. Now listen. Because many students might be seeing this question for the first time. Now, I think of a number R, and we are doing some operations, but maintain the sequence. What is the first operation that we are performing on it? Squaring it. What is the second operation we are doing on it?
Dividing it.
Division by what?
7.
By 7. And what is the last operation that we are performing on it?
Adding it by 14.
Adding it by 14. And
then
all of this sum should be equal to what?
M.
Okay, this is not the answer of the question. This is a part of a question. This is not the answer. I think some student was thinking, Mister, by mistake, he give the answer here. No, this is not the answer.
No.
Okay, this is a part of question. Now, very, very, very simple. Like Jamal told, you have R, you make a square. Why? Because this is our first operation. Then go to the second operation, divide by 7 means what?
Over 7.
Over
Okay,
7.
add 14.
Plus-
Add 14.
Plus 14.
Should be equal to
Equal to-
M. Should be equal to
Yeah.
M. Khalas.
Yes.
Yeah.
Khalas.
Yeah.
That's
Khalas.
it.
That's all. Because
Yeah,
it
just
looks
for the
confusing. Because if someone reads this question, he will think, what is happening here? But it's this simple.
You just focus on the question. Just read it a few times and you're gonna answer it.
Yes. Jamal is going to get 25 out of 20 tomorrow, inshallah. Bismillah. Okay. How many marks are there in the tomorrow's exam?
50.
Ooh. So it will be 3 hours, right?
2 hours.
Two.
Yeah,
No, 2 hours.
2 hours.
Sir, here I don't
hours.
understand. Here I don't understand question 17.
Yes.
Question number 17 is very, very tricky. Yes, I will explain.
You said the meaning, Mr. of consecutive.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
Now, first of all, I will tell you the meaning of this word consecutive or consecutive, the way you pronounce it. Consecutive means something that is coming continuously one after the other, like mutatabi. Last time, I think Muhammad Amir told me.
Yes.
Yeah. مسلسل.
Yes,
أو متسلسل.
mutatabi. This one.
Yeah.
Or musalsal. I wrote musalsal, but he said no. Mutatawe is the better word. So I remember it now. Okay. The sum of three. What is consecutive number? For example, 2, 3, 4. They are consecutive, right?
Yeah.
Like, for example, 29, 30, and 31. They are consecutive, right? Now, if I ask you, what is the consecutive even number after 12? What will you tell me? 13?
Yeah.
13.
No. No, even. I said consecutive even.
No.
14.
Even
14.
Yes, 14 and 16.
14.
Okay. So you have to remember what is the meaning of consecutive and what are the other words used. Now, if I tell you after 39, what are the consecutive odd numbers? What will you tell me?
41. 41.
Just add 2 here and
41.
add 2 here.
43.
41, 43. You understand the concept of consecutive?
Yeah.
Consecutive does not mean that khalas, you add 1 and that is consecutive. No. Consecutive can be plus 2 also. Consecutive can be multiplied by 2 also.
Like how, Mr.? But multiplication by 2, how?
Like you can tell me 2, 4, 8,
Oh. Yeah.
16.
And
What is the next
16,
consecutive number? What will you tell me?
32.
17?
No, 32.
17? No.
32.
Okay. But these type of questions, the multiplication type of questions, will not come in your grade 7 exam. Okay. You will have only addition type of increasing. Okay. Now let's come back to the question.
Okay.
The sum of, what is sum?
Addition.
Yes, when we add something, the answer that we get, it is sum. Okay. Now, the sum of 3 numbers, yani this number plus the next number after it plus the next number after it. What are we supposed to get? We are supposed to get 54. This is the meaning of the question. Did you understand the logic? The meaning? Yani? How to solve it, I will tell you. But did you understand what are they asking?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
There are
yeah,
3
yeah.
numbers.
Yes, mister.
So how are we supposed to solve them? Now I will tell you. Now tell me, if I consider the first number as A, what will be the next number and what will be the next number? Tell me. No. You cannot use any other letter. You have to use only single letter. But the next letter will be one more than the previous one.
A
This
plus
is
1.
A.
B.
It will be A plus 1, not B.
Yeah,
I'm
then-
saying you have to use only
The
single
same
letter.
Yes.
Single letter of English in these type of questions, not 2, A plus B plus C. No, you cannot solve it that way. What will be this number?
Okay.
A plus 2.
A plus 2.
A plus 2. Okay. Now let me erase and write it neatly. What will be my assumption? Let first number be X. Then second number will be X plus 1. Okay. And the third number will be what?
X plus 2.
Plus 2. Now, as per the equation, what will be my final equation? Now, tell me.
X plus X plus 1 plus X plus 2.
Should be equal to what?
54.
3x plus 3.
Wait. Do not jump. X plus 1 plus
X
X
plus
plus 1
2
plus
should
X
be equal
plus
to
2 equal
54.
54.
54.
Okay. Now, do you see some like terms here? Can we add the
Yes.
x's and add the numbers together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
3x plus 3.
Who is eating Indomie? I hear some plate and some.
I don't know,
the fourth.
mister.
Okay. So it will be 3x.
Plus 3
3x.
equal 54.
3x plus 3 equal 54. Who did not understand? How did I get 3x and 3 from magic? Who did not understand?
Me, I didn't
No,
understand
mister,
anything.
I understand how 3x became, but how 3?
Osama, did you understand the first line?
No.
I don't know how we got.
No. Okay. Did you understand my assumption?
No, they understand the question.
Do you understand the question, Aslan? Okay. What did I tell you for consecutive? What is the meaning of consecutive?
What was
You're not paying attention, I think. Listen one more time. Consecutive means mutatabe, one number after the other, then after the other in the series. Okay? Yani if I have 7, what is the next number after 7?
8,
Then?
9, 10?
Okay. Now, if I change the question a little bit, I tell you the number is 7, but next number should be odd. What will be the next number?
9,
What will be the next odd number?
11.
Okay. This is example of consecutive. Did you understand the meaning of consecutive now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So if I have X, what will be the number that will come after it? Don't say Y.
X.
If I X, what will I add to it to get the next consecutive number? What should I add to it? Like from 7 to 8, what should I add in 7 to get the next number? Plus 1.
1. 1.
Plus 1, okay? So in X, what will I add? I will add X plus 1. I will get the next guy. Now after that, if I want to get this guy, what should I add to X?
2.
2. These are the things I wrote here. Clear? Till now clear? No answer. I will proceed now. If no answer is coming, I will proceed. Okay.
Jesus.
Okay. So once we are able to make these assumptions, then simply we make a simple equation and then add them. Yani this plus this guy plus this guy plus third guy should give us 54 and collect all the like terms. How do you collect? Let me give a color so you guys can understand it easily. Okay. Yellow color, add with yellow color. Yellow color. There is some videos on YouTube, kids. Yellow color, blue color. They are blowing some balloons. Balloons. You have you seen this video?
I think yes,
No,
with my little brother.
Okay.
Cocomelon.
So x plus x will give you this brown color, 3x. And yellow 1 and yellow 2 will give you 1 plus 2, 3, 54. Now tell me, how can we solve x?
Mr. 54 divide 3.
Very easy. 54 divided by 3.
Yes.
MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Plus will not become minus, huh?
Oh, okay.
We will divide ala tul. Wow, wow, MashaAllah.
3x plus 3.
51.
3x plus 3 minus 3 equal 54 minus 3 equal 3x equal 54.
Now you
51.
can do, Muhammad Amir, now you can do directly. Now you are big guy enough. Now you don't need to show me minus 3 here and minus 3 here and make the question like Burj Khalifa. You can do it directly. Okay, don't need to make it ultra big for you.
Okay.
Ultra Pro Max. Okay,
It will be
so 3x will be
3x.
51. What will be
Yeah.
x?
51 divided 3 equal 17.
17, 18, 19.
Very good. So first number we found out x, but we have to find 3 numbers. So if x is 17, what will be the next number
17
after
plus
it?
1,
18.
18.
18.
Plus
What will
1,
be the next
18.
number?
19.
And
Plus
to
1,
check
19.
our answer, let's add these 3 things and see what is the answer coming.
I think 54 or 51, right?
Not 51. 54. Add it. Don't think. Add it. Don't think.
Okay.
7, 8,
Add it
16.
in your paper or pen, something like that. Not in the Ala Muhasiba. Okay. Please take care. Not Ala Muhasiba. It is Ala Hasiba. Why am I saying Ala Muhasiba?
And Mr. We can check our answer by other way, like minus the other 2 numbers by
54.
like minus 2, minus 1 and minus 2, so we'll get 17, 17, 17.
Yes, these are like, it's up to you how you can make your work simplified.
Okay.
This question is very similar to the one Badr asked, but the issue is here, instead of area, We have to find perimeter, and I already told you perimeter is found out how? By adding all the
By
four
adding
sides.
all the side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Adnan?
5 plus
What happened?
5 plus 7 plus 7.
The answer that Badr answered it before, it was for this question.
It was for the, not, no time to defend your brother. I asked him straight away area, and he gave me. No, I asked him area, he gave me perimeter.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean this, that he give you the another question.
Yes. Okay. So let's look at the answer here. What will be the equation? Who can tell me the equation of perimeter for this rectangle?
P.
No, let's
P.
bring brother. Let's bring brother. La, give him. We will give him one more chance. We will give him one more chance.
Can I answer?
If he will give me wrong answer, I will ask some new guy whom I did not ask so far. Badr.
Me.
Badr. Yes, tell me. What will be the perimeter of this rectangle? Yes.
Mr. They're copying me.
P equal 5 plus 5 plus.
From where are you reading? Tell me.
Calculator. No.
Calculator. What kind of calculator has this formula here?
I will answer. I will answer.
Relax. Badr, continue.
2x plus 7 plus 2x plus 7.
Make sure you are not reading it from anywhere, okay? You have to tell me from your mind. Now,
Okay.
can we?
Now we will make 5 plus 5.
I'm giving some color coding to help you. Yes, tell me.
5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7.
How much?
24.
24 years. Who has the parakeet? The small parrots in the background. 24 plus 2x plus 2x. How much?
Plus 4x.
4x. Very good. So this is our answer number 1. Now they are asking if Sitta wa Talatin. Riyadh. Who remembers this joke? Okay. Okay, we had a joke few days back regarding this question. Okay, so P will be replaced by which guy?
36.
Who wears Sitta wa Talatin jersey? I'm saying the jersey number, not the size number. The guy will be muted.
36, okay. Mr. I
think
know
that was Osama, right? Who was that?
No,
Osama?
Muhammad Ammar.
Mohammed Ammar will be muted now.
Mr. I know someone that is 18 years old.
Personal comments are not tolerated in the group, please. No personal joking allowed. Yes. Anyways.
The someone that wears 36 in jersey is Alvaro Rodriguez that plays in Real Madrid that is 18 years old.
Yes, this I was asking. Okay. Now P will be replaced by 36. Everything will remain same. Like what? 36 is equal to 24 plus 4x. You know what I did here? Everything is same.
Yeah,
but
you
instead of P,
exchange the
I
P with
brought 36. Yes.
Yeah.
Now it is very simple. 24 will go there by minus.
Yeah.
So
So
36
it will
minus
be-
24 will give me directly 4x, correct?
4x.
Yeah, 12 equal 4x.
12 equal 4x, yes. And then
X equal 3.
12 divided by 4, 3.
3.
Yeah.
Next
And the
question
next
is
one
very
is
simple. I think 19 and 20, you guys can solve it. You just have to substitute
Yeah, it's
and
very
multiply. You have to substitute. So I'm skipping this question. S put here, minus 3 put here. Where is B? Here. Yes, substitute here and find the missing ones. This is very simple, Yani. I don't need to spend too much
But
time.
Mr.
here.
If sometimes they bring a question like this question, but they bring minus number minus number. What is this? Like minus 5 minus 3. How it can be done?
Minus will be merged. Two minuses will be merged. Like what? Like you are telling me minus 5 minus 3, right?
Yeah.
So when you have two signs back to back together, you merge them into a single sign. What
Yes,
is the
it will be
minus?
plus.
What is the merging of minus minus plus? So it
Yes,
will
plus.
change to minus 5 plus 3. And minus 5 plus 3 will give you how much?
-2.
Minus 2. Simply.
That's it. Okay.
Okay. Yes, Ahmed.
Check.
Hello.
What is
Your voice is not coming properly. Maybe it's with me or with other students also. I don't know.
It's not coming properly.
Ahmed, you can send me the question in text message on WhatsApp. Okay. Your voice is not coming properly. Okay. Question number 21. Who has issue?
All of us. Not all of us, but I have also.
Not all of us. Tell me.
Mister, very easy, Mister.
Mr. B. Like in all geometry, I forgot everything.
Oh, I'll repeat it. Okay. Okay. But Ahmed Fuad, your voice is not proper. You can send me a voice message on WhatsApp or a text message. Okay. I can watch it here, watch it there, and I can reply. But in now, I don't know what is the issue here. There is some difficulty. Give me a minute.
Like Mr. Now, I only remember one thing from the geometry, VOA. That's it. Like I forgot everything.
Okay. Coming back to the question, in a complete circle, how many degrees are there?
360.
360. Very good.
Yeah.
And what is the competitor of PS3?
What? PlayStation 3?
Yeah.
180.
No, it's so old, Mister.
Xbox 360. You did not understand what was the joke. I got 360 from both ways. 360 here and 360 there. Anyways. Now, you can see two letters, C, okay, for Chelsea, and B for Bayern Munich. Now, and you can see two angles, 80 degrees and 34 degrees, correct?
Yeah.
Now I see Ahmed Fuad message on WhatsApp. He's saying there are two Ahmed Fuad in the group. What? I will charge double money. Let me look. Ahmed Fuad?
Mister, there is two Ahmed Fuads.
Ahmed Fuad and Ahmed Fuad.
How there are two IDs possible? Maybe someone changed his name. Maybe someone is playing with me now. When I download when I download the timesheet, then I will expose the imposter Ahmed Fuad. Okay. Now, tell me. Please stop it. Otherwise, I will mute everyone. Now, pay attention on this line. Someone is dying of laughter. Please close your mic. You can see this straight line. You can see some angles formed. You can see this angle is formed. You can see this angle is formed and the third angle. Now remember, on a straight line, if you add all the angles, you are supposed to get 180 degree. Half of a complete circle. A complete circle is 360, but half is 180. Clear? Okay. That means what?
No.
80, this angle plus C angle plus 34 angle should give me how much?
Okay, 180.
They should give me 180 because they are angles on a straight line. What is the reason? Angles on a straight line.
Mr.
Very simple.
Slash S.
This is not slash S. This symbol in maths, this is for angles. Okay, and this one is for less than and greater than, this one, but this one is for angles. Okay, not angel.
And the S side?
S, no, S is for jama, yani mufrad and jama. This is angle and this is angles.
Yes, Mister.
What yes, Mister? I didn't ask anything.
You said Jamal.
Jama'a. This one. Okay. Yes. So you can solve this one.
Yeah.
how can you solve it? Add 80 and 34
That's
and
easy.
subtract from C. Okay. What will be the final answer? Tell me, what will be the value of C?
66%.
Not percent, degree.
Degree.
Not percent, okay? This is degree. This symbol is for degree and this symbol is for percentage.
Yeah,
Okay.
percent.
Mister,
So C will be 66 degree. Very good. Now B is very simple.
B is
When,
vertically
80, it's
opposite
80,
angle.
By which property?
Something opposite angle. Something opposite
by
angle.
Vertically opposite angle, VOA property. Okay. So C will be 66, but B will be directly 80 by the property of what, Ibrahim?
Mister, and the answer key, it says that we have to...
Jamal, wait.
Okay.
I have to go one by one. Yes. Yes, Ibrahim, tell me. Ibrahim is not.
Which one?
Yes,
This
Jamal.
one?
Huh?
This one?
Yes, tell me. Did you understand how B is 80 degrees?
Because it's the same as the other one. It's like
No, it's
on
the
opposite
same.
side.
Okay, by which property? What is the full form of VOA? What is the full form? सब ले लो, बहुत आ गए. Vertically opposite angle. Ibrahim, repeat after me. Vertically opposite angle.
Vertical opposite angle.
Do you know what is the meaning of vertically opposite angle? Should I give you another
Yes,
example?
When there's like an opposite angle that's like the
Yes.
same, basically, like vertically.
Yes, and the easiest way to recognize is the letter X in English language. Okay, this guy
Yes.
will be equal to this guy in angles, and this guy will be equal to this guy by the property
Yes,
of VOA. Yes, Muhammad Amir? Vertically opposite angles. Clear?
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Now, yes, Jamal, what were you asking me that time?
And the answer key, it says that we have to 180 minus 80 minus 34.
That's what I am doing
Right,
here.
okay.
This 80 will go there in minus and 34 will also go in minus. It's the same thing. You will get 66. Okay?
Ah.
Yes.
But
Mister-
that's the order wrong here.
Mr. Ahmed Food is Ibrahim.
I will trace it in the attendance sheet. What am I doing? Adnan, what was your question?
On the exam, when I write for him like B is equal to 80 degree, do I write for him because it's vertically opposite angle?
Yes, you have to write the reason. I don't know about your teacher, but if I was again in the OPIS, I was expecting every student to give me the reason why it is 180 because of angles on a straight line. Why it is equal
I give
because of VOA. Yes, you have to give, you have to write the reason also. Okay. Yes. Now look here. No angle is mentioned by degrees,
Yeah.
but do you
There
see
is
this
90.
symbol? Do you
Yeah,
do you
90.
see this symbol?
90 degree.
Yes,
a right
yes. That
angle.
is, whenever you find this L type of thing, it means 90. And this letter is
It means
E.
the right angle.
This letter is E.
It means
Now,
that-
Jamal, I have a question for you.
Yes.
No, not Jamal. Why am I only focusing on one guy?
Right.
Osama.
Me,
Yeah.
Mr.
Ismail,
Muhammad,
we
Muhammad,
disappear him.
Muhammad. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Ismail,
Muhammad
what's
Ammar.
happened?
Yes.
Tell me, if I add E and
E.
90 and E, if I add this angle and this angle and this angle, what am I supposed to get, Muhammad Ammar?
180.
Very good. 180. Why we are getting 180? Because these are angles on a straight line. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. And we can again find the value of E simply. Yes, Riyadh, we can find E.
Simply.
Yeah, Mr. 45,
Yes.
45.
No. Okay, but how will you get E plus E will become 2E?
Because it's 180 is straight line, and the half is 90. These two will be the half. The half of the 90 is 45.
But you have to solve it like this. You don't just write 45 in the exam and expect the teacher to give you full marks. unless you show him the steps like this.
Mister, you know this way that is the way that I said to you in the last session of the math, when I told you that this way is like easy.
Mr. Want the EB to you already wrote it.
So E will be 45, and you can check back your answer. If this is 45, this is 45, and this is 90.
90.
What is the total you get?
180.
180.
180.
Okay. I'll be taking a break now of like 15 minutes. I'll be back after that. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Take your time, please.
I am back. How many minutes did I
Hello,
exceed?
mister. Like about 15 and a half.
بالضبط.
3?
15 and a half.
No, 15.
No, how many minutes did I exceed from 15? I'm asking.
Half minutes. Half of a
Only
minute.
half minute? Oh,
You
yani
are
I was,
15.
yani I was eating very, very quickly, huh? Good. I'm increasing in my speed. Okay. Question number 22. Who has problem?
Mister, it's
Question number.
corresponding. Mister, it's corresponding and alternate and what?
Vertically opposite
Me,
angle.
mister.
Yeah.
I don't like this question. Very annoying.
Okay, then I will leave it. Annoying guys, we have to ignore in our life. So I will ignore question number 22.
Yeah, ignore.
Thank you, mister.
Welcome. Afwan.
Mister, these two questions are like grade 1 question.
Grade 1 question, grade 1 does not have angles.
Yeah. Maybe grade 3, Mister.
Okay.
Like, but
5J, 3J, and
J.
J. Okay.
Equal 9J.
Now. Wait. No,
108.
Linda. Wait. Okay. who عمر دراج أين أنت؟
دراجة نارية.
أنا هون يا مستر. I'm
طيب.
here.
If you add all the three angles in a triangle, what are you supposed to get in any triangle? What are you supposed to get?
90.
No, not 90. 180. Okay. Whatever triangle is given to you like this, like this, like this, if you add all the three triangles, you are supposed to get how much, Umar?
180.
180. So let's use this logic in question number 23A. What is the first angle given here? 5J. Another one, 3J. Another one, J. And their sum should be equal to?
9J.
Yeah.
Their sum should be equal to what degree?
180.
Okay, 180.
I'm asking the equation. See, equation is the most critical part. Once you form the equation, everything becomes so easy. But if you can't form the equation, you cannot arrive at the answer properly. Okay. Now, can we add these three terms, Badr?
Nine.
Jamal is going muted now. Enough.
9.
It wasn't Jamal, mister.
Then who? Osama.
No. I didn't like.
Then I will remove the guy from the meeting. If I hear a personal remark against any name, against any body shape, against any of the stuff, I will not tolerate instantly. Is it clear to each and every guy?
Yes.
However smart you are in mathematics, however smart you are in football, if you misbehave in my class, I kick you out straight away. Is it clear?
Clear.
And I will also share this clip in the video, so every parent will know that this guy is creating nonsense in my class. So please make sure. The funny I am, the strict I am also. If I want to be happy with you, I can become ultra angry and ultra mad at you. I'll be the most worst guy. So please, no personal remarks, no distortion of names, nothing whatsoever. If a guy is not present here, you cannot call his name. Am I clear?
Clear.
Yes. Otherwise, I will kick you out of the class straight away if someone misbehaves. Whoever it is. Yes. Now, 5J plus 3J plus J. Can we add these like terms?
Yes.
Badr, I'm listening to your answer.
Yes.
Tell me, what will be the answer if I add all these three terms?
9J.
9J. And they should be equal to?
180.
180. Now, Osama, the next question is for you. If 9J is equal to 180, how can we find the value of only J?
What, mister?
if 9j is equal to 180, how can we find the value of j? What we will do to 9?
Oh, if 9j equal what?
J equal what?
Mr. I'm lagging. I can't hear you.
But I hear you very good.
I was outside. Sorry.
Ibrahim, you want to give me the answer for this one? 9j is equal to 180? Or should I pass it to someone else?
I don't think Ibrahim is here.
Okay, he's not here. Okay. Adam, you want to answer this one?
Can I?
Adam is not answering. Ismail, go for it.
Mister. Oh.
Okay. Here we have like a trapezoid, so the
That's not trapezoid. You are not listening to the question. My question is if 9j is okay. Who is going to answer? I don't know. Adam is here now. 9j is equal to 180.
Which one? Mr.
9j is equal to 180. J will be how much? Adam, tell me, J will be how much? No answer. Ismail.
Yes,
Mr.
J will be 20.
Can I? We will
180 over 9.
with 9.
J will be 20.
Yeah, 20.
Not
Yes.
Mr. 20.
Yes,
Oh,
20.
Okay. And this one, the next question, I'll just give you a hint. I will not solve it. This is 3y. This is 2y. And there is no degree given, but there is a special symbol given. What is the meaning of this symbol?
Right
angle.
Right
90
angle.
degrees. Right angle 90. And this is a quadrilateral. If you add all the 4 angles, what are you supposed to get?
4 angles equal
360.
360. So 90 plus 90 plus 3y plus 2y should give me 360. And you can solve the equation. It is very, very simple. You will arrive at the answer. Now there are so many questions remaining. Now I will skip some questions, okay? Because otherwise we will take like 3 or 4 hours, which is not possible because I have other tasks.
33, Mr. 33.
Wait,
No,
wait.
26,
I cannot take a so big jump that I will go to question 33 directly. Okay.
26, Mr.
I will go to 25. 25 is very easy.
Yeah.
Oh, before
Yeah,
25, I hope you guys can solve these type of questions. Like, let me revise some properties. Let me revise some properties so every student can understand it. Now there are 2 parallel lines. What are parallel lines? Who can tell me the definition of parallel lines?
Are the lines that can't touch each other.
That cannot touch each other, and very good. And they have same distance throughout them. They are not like this. Here the distance was so big and the distance is becoming smaller and smaller. No, this is not parallel line. This is parallel line. Okay, they do not touch. They never touch each other. They are parallel. They are at equal distance from each other. Now, parallel lines are represented by arrows. You can make one arrow here, and khalas, this is clear that they are parallel lines. Yes?
Yeah.
Now, angle 1 and angle 5 are equal by the property of
corresponding.
Very good. What is corresponding? Corresponding is like the sillam. You have the sillam stairs.
Like that.
So this bottom here will be equal to this bottom angle. This will be equal to this bottom angle. And this angle might be equal to, this will be equal to this and this. Yes. When I'm speaking continuously, then who is interfering? Ahmed Fuad or who? Who is interfering?
Me.
Who is me?
Ahmed.
Listen to my question, and then when I finish, when I ask you for doubt, then you can tell me. Because when I'm explaining something, if you keep on interrupting, it disturbs me. Because there are many students who don't know these concepts. So I need to make sure I explain these concepts first. Then I go for the questions. Otherwise, the students will be confused. Okay, now coming back. So one angle will be equal to 5 by the corresponding property. Now tell me, according to corresponding, which angle will be equal to 7?
3.
3.
3. Which angle will be equal to 8 for corresponding?
4.
4. Okay.
2.
Down here. Okay. Now the other property is alternate angles.
Yeah.
What is alternate angles? They form the letter Z in
The letter
English
Z.
language.
And F.
No, not F. Who is interfering when I'm speaking?
Me, Mr. Muhammad Amir. But no, but I added only one information.
See, it will create confusion for other students. So please. Okay. This is letter Z. And letter Z has this angle as well as this angle, right? That means 3 and 5 will be equal in measurement as per the alternate angle property. And what about angle 4?
By angle Z?
Which angle will be equal to angle 4 alternate? 6. Very good. Because this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay. And vertically opposite, you already know. Which angle is vertically opposite to angle 2?
7 and 5.
4.
8 and 6.
Who is saying 7 and 4?
No,
2 and 4.
5, 7 and 5.
Yeah, 2 and 4.
This one, 2 and 4.
One
Now,
and three.
which angle is corresponding to angle 6?
2.
8.
Not 8. I said corresponding. I did not say VOA, vertically opposite. Please listen to the question. Okay. Which angle? Yes, 2 is the correct answer. Which angle is vertically opposite for 7?
5.
5. What is vertically opposite? Opposite in
letter
front of
X.
you. Like the letter X. Okay. Now, coming back to this question, I will just take only one question from this page. I mean this
The last one,
here.
I'll
take the last one. I will take the last one from this page. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of this arrow and this arrow? What are they telling me?
Parallel lines.
Parallel lines.
That the McDonald's is this way or what? What are they telling me?
Yeah. Parallel lines.
The way of the lines.
They are telling me that this line is
going
parallel
to that
to this line. And when lines are parallel, there are many properties.
They are equal.
They are not equal. They are not equal. Parallel lines are not equal. This and this line are parallel, but are they equal in length?
No.
Yeah. They're not equal in length.
What is the importance of parallel lines? The importance is you can form alternate angle there. You can form corresponding there. This is the special thing. But if you don't have parallel, can you make alternate and corresponding here?
No.
You can make VOA. VOA does not require parallel lines, but parallel lines will give you alternate and corresponding. Now tell me, how many letters do we have unknown in this question?
3.
T, M, and K.
Okay, M, K, and L.
T.
Now, this is L or T?
T.
This is T. Okay, the resolution is not very good here. T. Okay, this is T. Shai, huh? Shai will Khalib. Okay, this is 75 degree and this is 35 degree. Now, what do you think? Which property can we use? Like this is parallel lines, and you see this angle and this angle. Which property is this?
Corresponding.
Yes. So K angle will be equal to 75. By which
75.
property?
Corresponding.
Corresponding angle.
So you have to write this in the exam. Corresponding angles.
Okay.
Okay. Next, K is 75. Okay. What about this guy?
35.
35.
T will be how much? Same logic.
35.
Yeah.
35.
35 by the property of
Corresponding angles.
But Mr. When you made the corresponding angle by 75 and K, there is the K letter, the F letter, or Z, no F. Yeah, but okay, never mind. Because the mister in our school used the letter F.
I use Silam. I don't use F for corresponding. I use Silam. This and this and this. They are corresponding for me.
Yeah,
you can take letter F. You can take letter. You can take Silam. It's up to you. It's your understanding. Whichever is
Yes.
easier, you can take. Okay.
In our school, the Mister use L, U, M, and F and M.
Okay, no problem. Now, we know T, we know this angle. Yani in this triangle,
Yeah.
we know this guy, we know this guy. Can we find the other guy?
Yeah.
Yes.
How? What will be the equation?
Mr. 35 plus
Oh,
75.
Yusuf Firas now.
35.
Yes, Yusuf Firas has to
35,
answer because he did not answer for a very long time. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
But
35 plus
0.5x speed. But please 0.5 speed because my processing is very slow. Please. Slow. Show.
35 plus 75 plus M equals 180.
He is still at 0.5x speed also. He's so fast. I need to go 0.25x speed. 35 plus 75
plus
plus M should be equal
100.
to 180 or 360.
No, 180.
180.
Yes.
180.
Because
Yes.
it's in
And then 75 plus 35 is how much?
110.
What?
yeah.
Yeah, Mr.
Ah,
110.
yes.
Yes.
Why he's not giving wrong answer? I'm trying to confuse him, but he's
180
on the correct answer. Okay, so 180 minus 110 will be
70.
That's all.
70.
Yes, sir.
Mister, why it looks so hard, but when you like answer it, that's it.
Allah gave me this talent to make maths easy.
Mister,
Okay.
we want to understand pie charts.
Yes, we will come to that. We will come to that. Midpoint is very, very easy. I'll just give you a hint and then I will go.
Yeah.
Midpoint, I'll just give you a hint. For those who know, very good, mashallah, tabarakallah. For those who don't know, Mr. Faiz Mark. Okay. Now you just make this symbol. Why am I doing this? Because this is X, this is Y, this is X. Sorry, this is X1, Y1.
Yeah.
This is X2, Y2 Aslan. Okay. Now, how do you find midpoint? What is midpoint? The middle, which is coming in between. Okay.
Yeah.
What you do, you take the X. What are X? This yellow color. And what are Y? This brown color. What you will do, you have to add the X and then divide by
2.
2 and comma. You have to add the Y and divide by 2. What will I write here? Tell me.
As 1 plus 5.
1 plus is my mobile. 1 plus is my mobile company. Okay, 1 plus 5.
Divide.
You know there is a mobile company known as 1 plus.
Yes.
Yes. But now they merge color OS and oxygen
I
OS.
will call them Mr.
Oh wow.
Mr.
Muhammad Ammar is very updated with the technology. He said a very correct thing, that color OS and which one?
Oxygen OS.
Oxygen OS are merged. Yes. Wow. Good to hear.
Because
Okay.
Mr. Today we have a chemistry. We have a chemistry exam.
So what does it mean if you have chemistry
Oxygen,
exam? Easy.
like the word
Oxygen
oxygen.
Ha. Okay. 3 plus 1, 4. What is the half of 4? 2.
2.
5 plus 1, 6.
3.
6 over 2, 3. So you have to write the answer in bracket. Please, everyone, take care. If you give me the answer, not me, Ani, I'm not there. If you give me the answer x2 and y3, no, this is not the proper way to represent your answer. You have to make your answer in bracket and with a comma. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Clear. Okay.
Clar.
Okay.
Now 26.
Mr. The same
Oh,
question. The same.
I was teaching something to some private tuition here. Let me erase this. Let me erase this. No need.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I read the word طفل. Why, Mister?
You read the answers?
No, I read the word طفل.
You read the word tifl. Because that question was very baby. That's why. Okay. Now, everyone, please open your ears very well. Leave your pens down on your table. I think they are already down. But anyways, put your ears and listen for the next 2 minutes silently, because this is one of the most important topic for today, what I am going to demonstrate. If someone interferes, straight away I kick him out of the class. Okay. So better I will mute the mic instead of kicking anyone out of the class. That is not good. I will disable the mic for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes I will open the mic. Not 2, yani whenever I finish this concept, because this is very, very important concept, and I think many students even don't know. Now let me start. In a triangle, there are 3 sides, everyone knows. Okay, and there are 3 angles, everyone knows. Okay, this is not a big deal. This is angle number 1, this is angle number 2, this is angle number 3. And there are 3 sides. Side number 1, side number 2, side number 3, or whatever manner you want to call them. Now, what is the difficult thing here? Let me tell you. Okay. Now, in this triangle, for example, these 2 sides are equal in length. They are equal in length. For example, if this was 6 centimeter, this will be 6 centimeter. But how does the maths book, or how in mathematics we represent this? By this line. This line tells us what? This line tells us that they are equal in length. Whatever is the length, we don't care. We only know that this side and this side are equal in length. Now, if a triangle has 2 sides equal, only 2 sides equal, the name of this triangle is isosceles triangle. Why am I telling you this whole story? You will realize it in a moment. Okay, this is isosceles triangle. Yani this side is equal to this side. That means what? This is the unequal side. Why am I telling you this? Because now there is a special thing. At unequal side, there are 2 angles formed. This angle and this angle. And the name of these 2 angles is base angle. Not because they are at the bottom, so I tell them base. No. I will tell you what is the meaning, and I will give you one more example. For example, you have a triangle like this. Yes. Now I tell you this. Tell me where are the base angles. Or I will open the mic now. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Where is the mic? Mic, allow mic. Yes. In this diagram, which 2 angles are base angles?
A and B.
BA, AC or BC? Which are base angles?
A and B.
A and B. Very good. Why? Let me re-explain for those students who are confused. See, this side is equal to this side, correct? Where is the unequal side? Unequal side is this one. This is the unequal side. And at unequal side, there are 2 angles formed, this one and this one. Their measurement will be exactly same. Whatever it is, we don't care, but it will be equal. This is the property. Okay. Now, why did I tell you this whole story? Because look at the question number 26A. Do you see 2 lines?
Yeah.
This?
Yes.
What does it mean? Now, let me give you some hint. No, not hint. I will give you some question. This is A, this is B from my side. Now, and this is 104. So can you tell me which 2 angles are base angles, AB or B and 104, or A and 104? Which pair is base angles?
A and B.
Not A and 104? Take care.
No, Mr. A and
No.
A and B.
No, A and B.
A and B.
Now, very good. Your answer is A and B, and that is correct. Why? Because this is the equal side. This is the equal side. Where is the unequal side? This guy. Okay. And at the unequal side, where are the 2 angles formed? The 2 angles formed are this one and this one. Correct? Yeah. So they are the base angles. If the angles are same, why should I use 2 variables? I will use same variable. Let it be A. Let it be A. Any problem?
No.
No. So can we find A? Wait
Yeah, Mr. We can.
for the story. What will be the equation for A?
Can I say it, Mr.?
Yes. In 0.1 x speed.
Yes.
Yes.
104
Yeah,
plus
he's saying.
2A.
A plus
104 plus 2A or A plus 104
huh?
equals 180.
Is everyone understanding what he did here? He added
Yes.
this angle and this angle and this angle and made them equal to 180, which is absolutely correct. Next, can we find A?
Yeah, we can. 180 minus 104 will be 76. So 2A equals 76.
Okay, but you have to go from here and then here. And you have to tell me in order. What will come here on the left side? What will come here?
180 minus 104.
That will be on the right side. 180 minus
the
104.
left
What will be on the left side?
At A plus 104 plus A minus 104.
Okay, yani 2A.
Yeah, 2A.
No, like terms, yani A plus A will be 2A. 104 will go to the other side and gets what? Added or subtracted?
Subtracted.
Subtracted. Okay, now, who can tell me what will be the value of A in the class? Who can tell me?
Muhammad Amir.
Yes, Muhammad Amir, try for it.
180 minus 104 equals 76. 2A equals 76. So 76 divide 2 equal 38. Yeah.
38, very good. Now, let me answer Riyad's question. Riyad asked me, Mister, they ask us E. Why are you telling me A? Okay. Now, the reason is, now I know this angle, 38.
Yeah.
This will help me. This angle will help me in finding E. You know how? You know how? Because this is a straight line.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Vertical opposite angle.
Because
so it will be 180.
This is not vertically opposite. You have a straight line. You have this angle and you have this angle. Their sum should be equal to how much?
180.
180.
Let me show you another with another way. This is your straight line.
Yeah.
You have this angle 38.
Yeah.
How much will be this angle, Riyad? Can you find?
Yeah, 180 minus 38.
Now you understand why I calculated A. Okay, because it will help us in finding E. Otherwise, how will you find E? There is no angle given other than 104. Okay, so we are finding E through this angle A. You can call it A, you can call it B, you can call it whatever. It's your choice, but don't call it E. Okay, except E, you can take any other letter of English language. You can call it B also.
Mr.
Yes, I'm listening, Ismail. Yes, continue.
What is the name of the E? Because it have a name that I forget.
Exterior.
Exterior.
Oh yes, exterior.
Yes, E is also exterior angle, but it can be P also. E is just a variable here. It does not have a meaning here. Like
I know.
What is the meaning of D here? The man? No, it is just for representation. Okay.
No, Mr.
But
he's asking about this circle, the name of this circle.
It's not circle. It's not circle. This is angle. This is not circle.
Half a circle.
Where is half a circle?
It doesn't have a name.
It doesn't have a name. It's E. Just E. E for Egypt. Okay, khalas. Happy now? This is Egypt. Okay.
It's my question, not mine.
See, this angle is exterior. I know, but here E does not mean exterior. Okay. Yani this is just a random, like here, 130 means what? It's an exterior angle. But for the sake of question, they can remove it and put R. It's their choice. Okay.
Mr. Can you also?
So A will be, so E will be what? Tell me. E plus 38 should be equal to 180. So E will be how much?
It will be 142.
142.
138 equal 142. Yeah.
I'm writing the answer directly. Okay.
Yeah.
Now next question is very easy. You can find it by exterior property also. Or this is 130. This will be how much? This angle will be how much?
130.
It will be 50,
What?
Mr. 50.
No, no, no.
130.
50, 50,
130.
50. Why?
50, Mr.
50, 50.
How this
yeah.
is 130?
Because,
On a
because,
straight line, if
yeah,
this
yeah.
is 130, this also be 130.
Yeah, because
Go
it will
home,
complete
go home, go home. Bye
it will
bye.
complete a half
Finish the
circle.
call,
So half
please.
circle is 180.
Leave the class.
But Mr.
This
Ayman,
will be 50, okay? This will be 50. This is 46. You can
Yeah.
find the third guy by adding
Yeah.
all and get subtracting from 180.
Add and minus
Same.
180.
it will be
And
84.
this is the TOEFL question that I wrote in Arabic
Yeah.
before, because this is one of the easiest question of this worksheet.
Yeah, 125 plus 31
Minus
plus
I
A
want
equal 180, then minus.
56.
I want D.
Oh,
Now
D.
D question.
65.
What is the meaning of these parallel lines? Oh, I give the answer in my question. What is the meaning of these parallel lines? What is the meaning of these arrows? Sorry.
Parallel
My
lines.
mistake.
Parallel line.
Parallel lines.
Parallel
Okay.
lines.
Now, what is the meaning of two arrows? Yani two parallel lines?
No, another.
No,
Another set of pair. Yes, another set. Yes. Yani this is parallel to this set, and this is parallel to this set. This is just for identification.
yeah. If there
Okay.
was another
Now,
pair, it will be 3
parallel
arrows.
lines, they can use 3 arrows. Yes, it is just for
Yeah.
identification. It does not mean that this is a double powerful and this is single powerful. No. Okay. Now we have to find A and B. Can we use any parallel property from 65 like this?
Yeah,
And this
yeah, Mr. I think you can.
Silam?
Yes,
You said it, Mr.
corresponding.
I gave you the
Corresponding.
hint only. I did not give the final answer.
It's the
A equals
corresponding.
65.
A equals
A will be
65.
65 by the property of.
Yeah. Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles.
How can you find B?
B by the
Can you find this angle? Can you find this angle first?
Yeah, Mr.
Yes,
It will be
it's
115.
Yeah, 180
115. So B equals
So
115.
this angle can be found out by subtracting this guy from 180 because they are
Yeah.
on a straight line. So you
We
will
got
get
180.
70, 80,
180
115.
minus 65 equal 115. Yeah.
115.
Okay. And
تحذف ما قبلها.
which
Equals
property?
65.
The alternate.
Yes. So this will be
Also-
65.
Yeah.
Yes, Ahmed.
The parallelogram has a property where like the opposite sides, for example, 65 and A, like for example,
That thing is for pro players like you and Yusuf Firaz. But this class today is new, yani normal class, not new. Sorry. I want to explain in simple terms, but actually Ahmed Fuad is saying his point is very, very good, and I appreciate his point. He's saying that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal in measurement. But I don't generally use this concept in when I explain the simpler concepts. Okay, this is for pro players, pro maths players. Okay, yani this will be equal to this. So according to his logic, this is 115. So this will be 115.
And Mr.
Okay.
Also, when we found A, we can also find the fourth angle, like because they are opposite.
Yes. Yani this is 65. This will be 65 by the property of parallelogram. But the thing is, to make parallelogram, you should know some things. That's why I don't tell this procedure to everyone. Okay. What are the things? This side should be equal to this. This parallel should be equal to this parallel.
Yeah.
What am I saying? These two lines should be parallel to each other, and opposite side should also be parallel to each other. If this situation is fulfilled, it makes it a parallelogram, and then you can use that property in the exam also, and the teacher will consider your answers. Yes. Okay, now I'm skipping the other angles. I'm skipping. This is looking like a rock face in the what?
Yes,
in the
island.
Yeah, Mr.
Easter Island.
like Sigma male or what? What face is this? Or rock face? What is this?
Giga chat.
No,
Giga chat. Yes. Sorry. This is Giga chat. Listen to the background music by Muhammad Ammar. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Coming back to the giga, I mean the question number 29. Okay. Question 29 is pretty simple. Oh, it's not simple. There are some decimals. There are some decimals. No decimals are involved. Okay. Adnan is there or not?
Mister?
I will listen to you, but wait a minute. Adnan is there? He's muted. Okay. Yes, Ismail. What were you asking?
Lagging.
Yes, mister.
Yeah, mister.
My screen is lagging?
Yeah.
It's lagging for me too, mister.
Yeah.
But I'm not moving now. Tell me if it is lagging now. If it is lagging now, tell me.
It is.
No.
No, now it's your turn.
Very laggy, very laggy.
Very laggy.
Spawning in.
Very laggy?
It takes
Okay.
2 seconds.
No, no.
Mr. is this
Your
loud?
voice is some lagging again.
It's just
Voice is
summoning.
lagging. Voice is lagging?
No.
Some lagging.
Screen.
Mister, nothing is laggy.
Yeah,
Nothing is lagging. Okay. Maybe my brain was lagging. Okay. Who was answering? Adnan was answering. Yes, Adnan, are you ready?
No, Adnan was muted.
Adnan is muted. Okay.
Yes, mister.
He's there. Can you tell me the coordinates of this point of GigaChat? What are the coordinates of this point?
GigaChat.
minus 2.2 with 4.
No, Mr.
It's
not
2.2. No.
Mr. I can
Not
answer.
minus 2.2.
Mr. I can answer.
Minus 2.2 with 4.
No, it's not minus 2.2. Look. I will make some hint. Okay. I'll make some hint. Look at this straight line and then try to give me the answer. Which point is it touching on the x-axis?
Yes.
Minus 2. Yes, not minus 2.2. Minus 2. And what point is it touching this point? We are talking about this point. Okay. And then what point is on the y-axis?
4.
No. Sorry.
Yes,
My mind is lagging. Yes. Sorry. So this will be minus 2,4. Okay. One more point. Jamal, what about the nose of this guy? What are the coordinates of this nose?
The nose. The nose. Wait.
Who knows, huh?
The nose
Who
is
knows?
exactly.
Who knows?
I think
Who
exactly
knows the
on
nose?
2. The
Who
nose
knows the nose?
exactly on 2, mister.
Exactly on 2. Okay. So what will be the coordinates? Tell me.
2.0.
2.0. What is 2.0?
Comma.
2,0. Yes. 2,0 is the nose point of this Giga guy. Make sure he does not copyright me on YouTube.
Yeah.
I think he lives in the Stone Age, mister.
Okay. These points you can do already. Decimal also.
Yes.
Yeah,
This is very simple. I'm not
Mister,
going to
it needs a lot of zooming. Why is
Very, very easy.
Yes, Mister.
Mister, how we will answer this in the exam? Like it's so small. It needs a lot of zooming. Like you can get
You
raw.
can do 500.
It will be printed, inshallah, in a good resolution, I hope.
No,
Yes, it will
Mr.
be.
And in school they are printing with the white and black.
Yeah, white and black.
So what? If it is printed in
Mister,
black and
the
white,
question
so what?
again. Mister.
So the image that you're using, it's the thing that does. Boom.
What?
Mister, in question 30, like
That's
B,
fine.
how I can answer it?
Question number?
Mister, B in question 30.
B in question 30. What does each division represent?
0.2.
Each division means what? You can see how many
each box.
squares between. Wait. How many squares you can see between 0 and 1?
5 maybe.
Yeah, Mister, I think 5. Yeah,
You
Mister,
can
how
see
we
5.
can zoom? How we can zoom?
Okay, there are 5 fractions. 5 boxes.
Yeah.
Now, one box is equal to how many values? This is the meaning of small division. How do you solve it? Just convert it into a fraction. Yani one box out of how many boxes?
1/5 multiply 1.
1 over 5 multiply by the number of units coming in between 1. So 1 over 5 is what in decimal? How much?
0.2.
0.2.
No, this is
0.2.
this is the answer for B part, small division. Clear, Adam?
Mister, how we can get 0.2 again?
How will you get 0.2? You divide 1 over 5. How do you divide 1 over 5? By long division.
Oh, yes, sir.
Like this. Okay. Now 1 is very small. You cannot divide it. What you do? Add a 0 and put a point on top. Now in the table of 5, 10 comes at what position?
2.
Two.
True? What true? Caller or what?
2.
10.
2.
Okay. It will be 2. Boom. This is the answer. 0.2. Okay.
Okay.
Giga Chad.
Okay.
No, mega Chad, it should be kilo Chad, megabyte, gigabyte. Look. That is the Andy Tate song, huh?
Yeah.
Famous by
Mister,
okay.
this
This question is
can
coming from
address
the book, I
test.
think.
Yeah.
Yes.
Coming
And
From
can
the
also
book.
in the test.
This question came on the quiz.
this question, see class, I have 15 more minutes now. Okay. So
Skip.
Skip this, Mister.
You guys can, because I have other tasks also. Okay, so Malish, I can give only 15 minutes. Now you guys can tell me what questions to focus on, because I cannot go step by step.
Mister.
I'll give you this one. This question is very important. I'll tell you this question.
Okay.
Mister.
Yes, Umar.
Question 30B. I didn't understand it.
Let Omar tell first, then Jamal, you can tell.
Okay.
Mister.
Yes.
Mister, me, I don't understand question 6. And Muhammad Ali texted me, he said he don't understand question 14.
1 for 14.
Yeah.
14, I did not explain.
No, you did explain 14.
You did?
Mr. Hamad.
I explained already question 14. You can watch the video and you can see this sheet. I will share this sheet in the group with high resolution. Okay. And question number 6.
Yes.
Sorry, what?
I have to add also.
Okay, now I will explain quickly question number 6. Okay. Omar, are you watching?
Yeah, Mister.
Okay. Julia, not Julia. Why Julia? J always for Jamal. Copyright. Yes. Julia. Okay. Jamal bought a piece of material 3 meter wide. Okay. Not material. He don't buy materials. He buy chocolates.
From the canteen.
From the canteen. Yes. In 10 minutes. Yes. Okay.
And what's called?
Now this is the chocolate that he bought, and 3 meter long chocolate. Wow, amazing world record. So this chocolate is 3 meter wide, and how much meter long?
3 and
3
4.
waruba. Talata waruba.
Yeah.
Meter. Wow. Oh, he will eat in how many months? I don't know.
Years.
Okay. What is the area of this material? One of the easiest questions of this worksheet.
Yeah.
What is the area of rectangle? Omar?
Length multiply with.
Length multiply by width. You can see both of the things. Okay. So it will be 3 times 3 ruba. And what is 3 ruba? We will convert it to improper. What is improper? Not 7 over 4. What 7 over 4? You have to multiply these two guys. Multiply these two guys and then add.
13 over 4.
13 over 4.
So 13 over 4, and 3 and 4 cannot be simplified. So just multiply top to top. 13 times 3 is 39 over 4. This is the answer. You can stop it here, or you can convert it to mixed. How do you convert to mixed?
It will be 9 and 3 over 4.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, Mister. I forgot long division.
MashaAllah, tabarakallah. I see big money coming. Meter square. Okay. Call me anytime, one-on-one. I'm ready. Hazir. Okay. Only at 120 riyal for 1 hour. Only. Faqat.
Only.
No. Miskin. Ana miskin.
10 minutes.
Okay. Okay. So
But
the
1
answer
second,
is
0.5 riyal.
not 1 second, 1 minute. 1 minute, 2 riyal. Only.
1 minute,
Miskin.
1.2 riyal.
Oh my God.
1
1
riyal
minute, 2
Yemeni.
riyal. What is 2 riyal for? You can't get even shawarma in 2 riyal. What are you talking about?
Mister, you
Shawarma's
take
for
break
15, mister.
15 minutes. You know that how many? Yeah, 10.
Okay, what I was.
Question 33. Question 33, A and B. I don't understand them.
Yeah, this is one of the important questions of this question paper. How many times I'm going to say the same dialogue? This is very important question. This is very important question. Anyways, you see a comparison of dollars and Maldivian rupiah. Yani Maldives, you know Maldives is a very beautiful island.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so there the currency is rupiah. Okay.
Make
Now,
it rupee, Mister. Make it rupee.
Rupiah is in India. Okay, this is rufiya. Okay. Now, not ruqiyah. Huh? This is rufiya. Okay. Now, this is a graph that is drawn. Now, who can tell me what is the small division equal to on the dollar side? How much is this?
Each square is like $2, I think.
Like $2.
Very good. Very good. I think that was Muhammad Ammar.
No, Ibrahim.
Ibrahim is back?
25 Maldivian every square. I don't know.
Okay. Who don't know how we get $2 here? Who does not know? I will repeat. If everyone knows, I will not repeat. Who does not know?
Me.
Okay, I will tell you the procedure. The procedure is first convert this guy to fraction. One box out of 5 boxes, correct? What will be the fraction here?
1/5.
1/5 of what? What is the difference between 50 and 40?
10.
So 10/5 is how much?
0. No, 2.
0.2.
No,
0.2. Mashallah.
over one.
Throw away your
No, no, sir,
calculators,
two.
please. Those calculators
Over
are
one.
worthless. $2. Okay. So
Yeah.
each unit is $2, and you can check your answer. And if this is 40, this next will be what?
42.
42.
42.
Next.
41.
Not 41. No. You have to jump
42,
for 2.
44, 46.
42, 44, 46, 48, and 50. So our calculations after our calculation were correct. Okay, let me reduce my volume. Why am I shouting in my room? Okay, neighbors are maybe annoyed. Okay, now what will be each square
40
on y-axis?
40.
Who will tell me the procedure? What is the fraction for this guy?
1/5 multiplied by 100 equal to 100/5 equal
1/5 of how much? 1/5 of how much?
200.
200.
Of 200. Very good. How do you know 200? Because 600 minus
Because
400.
there, yes.
And which is equal to?
200/5 equal 40/1, $40.
Not $40. Not
Or
$40.
40 rupiah.
Yes.
Rupiah.
And you can check your answer. This is 400. What will be the next?
440.
What will be next?
480.
Next?
520, 560.
520, 560, and 600. Khalas, this is very good. Okay. Now let's come back to the
question.
Why is it not forming a square?
Mister, there's somebody named JC.
That's Ibrahim.
No.
Mister, I have a question. Question 37, Mister. I don't know.
I didn't finish this. I'll come back to you once I have to complete this one, and then I will come back to the question. Okay, wait. Now, this is the most important thing, and the first thing that you guys have to calculate. Okay, that each square is equal to how many units. This is the first thing that you have to do. If they ask in the question or they don't ask, this is your duty. What is your duty? you have to calculate each division on x-axis as well as each division on the y-axis. This is your first task. You do not start your question without it. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Like, Mister, if they give us,
if someone asks me $50 is how many Maldivian rupiah, what I will do? From 50, I will make a straight line until I cut this graph. And once I cut this graph, I draw a horizontal line and let me think which number is this. Who can help me? Which number is this?
640.
640. Halas, you guys are smart.
Allah.
Okay, Allah alaik. Okay. What about 800 Maldivian rupiah? It is equal to how much?
$60.
800.
No.
64.
Not 64, Jamal. One square is how many dollar? What did we calculate here?
61.
2. So why are you jumping 4?
Yes.
Okay, 2. Please, Ibrahim, take care, huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, well, question 37 now.
So you can solve these questions already. I think 2 questions I can take more. Now you guys tell me which 2 questions I can take more. I think I will take the last one. And I will decide. And pie chart. Khalas, I will just do only 2 now.
Okay.
Pie chart is very, very important. And the last one is very, very important.
Mister, I have a
Pie chart
question.
is easy though.
Are you guys okay with these 2 questions? Because I have other appointment.
Yes, Mister.
Mister, question 15.
Mister,
why-
What 15? 35.
Sir, why do you have question 37 and answered?
Can you, Mister, do this with us?
Easy, 35.
This is simple pie chart. Yani for teacher. Number
Mister,
of
I want to
students.
check myself if I'm right with it.
Then
Like,
message me later. Then message me later.
Okay.
After
You
the
have
class.
that,
Yes.
Hakeem.
Mister,
Now let me. Yes.
now if like they want us to get the like one small box and we have the time with hours, okay? We make the hour 60 minutes
Yes.
and then
Like
divide it by
yes. Like this question, you have from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock and then 9, 10, 11 o'clock, correct? And you have the small boxes here.
5.
Now, it's better in questions for time you convert to minutes. So what will be each small division on x-axis? Tell me. And what will be each small division on y-axis? Tell me. 1 over 5 of how many minutes?
Multiply 60.
60 minutes, which is equal to how much?
12.
12 minutes. Yani, what is this time? Tell me. Who can tell me this time?
This is 11:24. 10:24. 10:24.
Yeah.
Is he correct?
12.
Is he correct?
9.
10:24. Very good. What is this time?
This is 8.
8:48.
8:48.
Not 8:45. 8:48. Very good. Very, very good. What about this small box on the y-axis?
1 over 5 multiply 50.
1 over 5
each one will be 10.
1 over 5 of 50.
Multiply by
10 kilometers.
Each
10
box is 10,
kilometers.
Mister,
Okay. Yes. Now let me go to
Mister,
the
we
pie
are
chart.
adding 1. How you put 60?
Yeah.
See,
Like,
this is 8 o'clock, right? 8 hours, 9 hours. I converted hours to minutes to make it easier. Otherwise, the answer will be in decimal. Yani, it will be 1 over 5 of 1. It will be 0.2 hour, which is difficult for us. Which is difficult. Which is not wrong. Okay, this is not wrong, but this is difficult for us to understand.
Yes.
That's why I converted the hours to minutes and then I applied that fraction formula. Adam, clear? Okay, let me go back to the pie chart and Muhammad Amir. If you are paying attention in this pie chart, then I hope you can do question number 35 that you asked to me, because 35 and 37 are very, very similar. So just pay attention on 37, inshallah. 35 will be already understood by you. 37 is a very tough question for some students.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Ismail. Please, Ismail, please let me finish this. Yes, please let me finish this. Then you can keep your question ready. And once I finish this, I will answer you. Okay. Now, a pie chart shows information about grades achieved by 60 students. Yani in a class, there are how many students?
60.
Wow, I can't handle 30 students. How will I handle 60 students? That will be RIP for me. Anyways, I'm the Giga child. Anyways, I will survive, inshallah. Okay. There are 60 guys in a class, out of which 72 degree. Yani these many students get A grade, many students get B grade, some get C grade, some get the mom grade. Okay. Now, we have to tell in numbers each student, yani grade A was obtained by how many students. Okay. We have to tell the numbers, yani 8 students or 10 or 12 or number. Okay. How do we arrive at number? Now, the simplest explanation is what? Grade A is how many degrees?
72.
Out of one circle contains how many degrees?
360 degrees.
360 multiplied by number of students, how many?
60.
60. The same logic in the next line. What will be here, Omar? Omar, tell me, what will I write here for grade B?
You write 120 over 30 over 360 multiply 60.
Okay, Badar, tell me the third one.
Mr. Can I answer?
Yes, answer.
78 over 360 multiply 60.
Very good.
Mr. Can I answer?
78 over 360 times
Multiply
60. Yes, Adam, go for the last one.
Okay, D. 90 over 360 multiply 60.
Okay. Now, was it difficult to form it like this? I think it was not difficult. Okay. Now, what do? It's not done. We just simplify each one by one. Now, how can we simplify this?
The 60 will be 1 and 360 will be 6.
Times 6. Alatul. Or you can take the 0, 0 away first. 0, 0 away. Times 6. Now, 6 and 72. Can you simplify? Can you divide them?
Yes. It will be 12.
12, yes. So it will be 12 guys, 12 students in the class who got grade A. And you can simplify for the same. For all, you will get the answers. Okay? Yes.
There is an easier way. You can use division by 6 in every number without 300 over 360. Only 72 divided
yes,
by
I agree. It's up to you. It's your convenience.
Choice.
Yes, choice.
But Mister, I have also another way.
Khalas. Okay. If it is giving the correct answer, okay, you can go for it. Now, let me tell you the last thing for today. For stem and leaf diagram, this is very, very important thing also. How many times I'm going to say the same thing? Okay. Now, what is stem and leaf? This might be a concept new for everyone. Even in India, in my school days, I'd never learned something like this. I only learned this in OPIS. In OPIS, I learned this. What is this actually? Okay. In our curriculum, we don't have this. Okay. You see a line, some numbers are here and some numbers are here, and there is a key here. What is this mess going on? I will tell you. For example, you have 22, 25, 38, 39, and 21. I gave you some 5 questions. Numbers?
5 numbers.
One question, numbers. Okay. Now, how can you summarize these numbers using the stem and leaf? There is a simpler way. Just take 2 tens here and put 1 here, 2 here, and 5 here. You know why? Because this is 21, this is 22, and this is 25. Is everyone understanding?
Yes.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yes,
What
sir.
about
If
3?
it's a double, Mister, if is there a double like 25? I put 2 5.
Yes, yes. If there are 2 times 39, okay, what I do? I add it also. I don't miss it. Okay. And
Okay.
to help you out in the exam, the key will be given to you already. So it will make your task very, very easy. Okay. What is key telling you? Key telling you that to line 1 means what?
21 marks.
21.
Now, Jamal, I have a question for you. In this given data, which is the largest number?
The largest number is 50 and 9. It's on the 5.
59, yani not 50 and 9. 59 is the largest number. Yes. Which is the smallest number?
21.
Which is the most repeated number?
On the 4s, it has like 3 zeros. Yeah, the
Okay.
most repeated is zeros.
No, most repeated is 0. I'm asking about the total number. I'm not asking about separate digits like 0 and 4. No, give me the whole number.
0.
0 is not having a meaning unless it is combined by 4. You cannot call it 0. You have to call it 40. Like what number is this? Will you tell me?
Mister, there is no mode.
What number is this?
45.
There is no
Okay. Now, so is everyone understanding how do we read these numbers? Okay.
Yes, by
We read it
combining them by the
by
other number.
combining the first and the last, but it is not always like this. You have to look at the key.
Yes.
You always have to look at the key and then decide. Now, so the first number is 21, then we have 24, 25, 32, 33, 33, 34, 36, 38, 40, 40, 40 and all until 51, 59 and 50, 51, 55 and 59. Yes. Now let's solve the questions. Let's solve the questions. They are asking us the mode. What is mode?
The most
repeated.
Repeating maximum. Which number is repeating maximum times?
40.
Okay.
The
And
median.
The median is 40 and the
highest number
Highest number 59.
minus lowest number.
Yeah.
21.
Median is plus
Okay. 59 minus
It will be
21.
21.
Which will give me how much?
28.
38.
No. 38.
Okay. Now median is what? Now pay attention, everyone. If you miss, you lose. If you know, okay, you have to be silent now.
Okay.
To find the median, cancel the first number with the last number. Cancel the second number with the second last. Are you listening? Cancel
Yes.
the third number with the third last. Cancel this fourth guy with the fourth last and keep on continuing this process. Okay. 5, last 5, 6, last 6, 7, last 7, 8, last 8, 9, last 9, 10, last 10, 11. Like 2x speed. Last 11. Now you cannot do last 12. Then there will be nothing remaining. Okay. Just stop at this step. These two are the middle values. But we have to arrive at a single value. So one is telling me 40. One is telling me 42. How do I arrive at the middle value?
I know.
Divide by 2.
You have to plus them and then divide them.
Allah alaik, Allah alaik. You have to add them and then divide by 2. The answer will be
41.
واحد وأربعين. مع السلامة. That was all for today. I think it was like very helpful. We should clap for each other. We should clap for this Giga chat. Okay. So that's the end for today's class, and I think I'll go for another.
I have a question.
I will go for another session. Okay. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And I will send the time sheet quickly. Okay.
Okay. مع السلامة مستر.
مع السلامة. تشرفنا.
Goodbye, Mister.